Once upon a time, in a dense, dark forest, lived a tarantula named Tarquin. Unlike other spiders, Tarquin had an unusual talent. He could spin the strongest webs from miles away, and he was known far and wide as the hairy hunter. One day, a tiny mole named Mimi, who lived in the heart of the forest, found herself trapped in one of Tarquin's webs. Mimi was small, but she was brave, and she asked Tarquin to release her. Tarquin, amused by the mole's audacity, replied, "I may free you, little one, but only if you can answer a riddle. If you succeed, you may go free, but if not, you will remain here forever." Mimi agreed, and Tarquin posed his riddle: "What walks on 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs at noon, and 3 legs in the evening?" Mimi thought long and hard, but she couldn't come up with an answer. She was about to give up when she realized something. She said, "Oh, I see. The answer is a man. As a baby, he crawls on all 4s, a grown-up walks on 2 legs, and an old man uses a cane, so he has 3 legs." Tarquin was amazed. He had never met a creature as wise as Mimi. He released her and promised never to trap her again. From that day forward, Tarquin's heart grew softer, and he realized that even the smallest creature could teach him a valuable lesson. Lesson asterisk. Even the smallest among us can teach us valuable lessons if we are open to learning. Always respect and value everyone, for each of us has something unique to offer. Moral asterisk. Size does not determine worth. Everyone has something valuable to share with the world.